Imagine if just 60 seconds could transform your life by erasing chronic neck pain. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into simple yet effective strategies to combat chronic neck pain. From the moment you lay down to sleep to innovative tools and stretches that promise relief, we'll explore all avenues. Say goodbye to mornings marred by stiffness and hello to waking up rejuvenated. Stick around till the end as we unveil a 60-second nightly routine that's a game changer for neck pain sufferers. You won't want to miss this life-altering tip. Understanding neck pain. Neck pain is something many of us have faced at some point, but have you ever stopped to think about what causes it? Three main culprits often lead to chronic neck pain: poor posture, stress, and sleeping in the wrong position. First up, let's talk about poor posture. This is when you don't sit or stand straight. Imagine sitting at your desk, slouching over your computer for hours, or maybe you're looking down at your phone a lot. These habits can strain your neck muscles and lead to pain. Next is stress. When you're stressed out, your body tightens up. Your shoulders might hike up to your ears, and your neck muscles become like rocks. This tension can cause a lot of discomfort. Lastly, the way you sleep can play a big role in neck pain. Sleeping in a weird position can twist your neck in ways it's not supposed to twist. This can make you wake up feeling like you slept wrong because, well, you did. Addressing these causes is super important if you want to get rid of that nagging neck pain for good. It's all about getting to the root of the problem and making changes to fix it. This way, you're not just treating the pain, you're preventing it from coming back. Holistic approaches to neck pain relief. Dealing with neck pain isn't just about quick fixes, it's about taking care of your whole self. That's where holistic approaches come in. These methods focus on your entire body and mind to help relieve neck pain. Let's dive into three key areas: stretches and physical therapy, lowering stress, and improving work posture. Stretches and physical therapy. First on the list is stretching and physical therapy. These aren't just any stretches, we're talking about specific movements designed to target the muscles in your neck. For example, gently tilting your head from side to side and forward and backward can help loosen tight muscles and increase flexibility. Physical therapy takes this a step further. A physical therapist can teach you exercises that not only relieve immediate pain, but also strengthen your neck muscles over time. This makes your neck stronger and less prone to pain in the future. Scientific studies back this up, showing that exercises focusing on the neck and shoulder can significantly reduce neck pain by building a stronger, more flexible neck that can stand up to the stresses of daily life. Lowering stress. Next, let's talk about stress. You might wonder what stress has to do with neck pain. Well, a lot. When you're stressed, your muscles, including those in your neck, tense up, which can lead to pain. So, how do you deal with stress? There are a few ways. Meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises are great tools. Meditation can help calm your mind. Yoga stretches and strengthens your body, and breathing exercises reduce tension. Together, they can help manage stress and, as a result, reduce neck pain. Research shows that these stress reduction techniques can lower muscle tension and pain. Improving work posture. Finally, there's work posture. Many of us spend hours at a computer, and how we sit can really affect our necks. Poor posture can strain your neck muscles and lead to pain. But here's the good news. Making a few ergonomic adjustments can make a big difference. For example, adjusting your computer screen to eye level so you're not looking down all day can help. Using a chair that supports your back and keeps your feet flat on the ground is also key. These changes help keep your spine in a natural straight position, preventing neck strain. It's about creating an environment that supports your neck, not strains it. Revolutionary tools for neck health. When it comes to taking care of our necks, there are some pretty amazing tools out there that can help by offering relief and promoting health in ways you might not have thought possible. Let's explore three of these revolutionary tools: massage guns, heating pads, and inversion tables. Massage guns. First off, we have massage guns. These handy gadgets have become super popular, and for good reason. They work by rapidly thumping your muscles, almost like a professional massage you can do at home. But how exactly do they help with neck pain? Massage guns are great at easing muscle tension. That tight, knotted feeling you get in your neck after a long day, a massage gun can help loosen that up. They also increase blood flow to the area they're used on, allowing more oxygen and nutrients getting to your muscles, which helps them heal and feel better. Studies have shown that vibration therapy, which is what massage guns use, can decrease muscle soreness and improve muscle performance. So not only are you getting immediate relief, but you're also helping your neck muscles become stronger and more resilient. Heating pads. Next up are heating pads. These are a bit more traditional but still super effective. Applying heat to your neck with a heating pad can work wonders for relaxing muscles and reducing pain. When you apply heat to an area, it increases blood circulation, just like massage guns. This not only helps relieve muscle tension, but also reduces pain signals being sent to your brain. It's a double win. Plus, the warmth is just plain comforting, which can be a big help when you're dealing with chronic neck pain. Research supports the use of heat therapy for muscle pain, showing that it can significantly reduce discomfort and improve muscle flexibility. So grabbing a heating pad when your neck feels tight or sore can be a simple yet effective way to find some relief. Inversion tables. Lastly, let's talk about inversion tables. These might sound a bit out there, but they're an intriguing option for neck health. An inversion table flips you upside down or at an inverted angle using gravity to relieve pressure on your spine and neck. This can be especially helpful for people with neck pain related to spinal issues, as the inversion gives your spine a chance to stretch out, decompress, and rest. While inversion therapy might not be as widely known, studies have found it to be beneficial for spinal health and reducing back and neck pain. It's definitely a more unique tool, but for some, it could be the key to unlocking relief from chronic neck discomfort. The 60-second nightly routine. Let's make a simple, scientifically backed routine that anyone can do before bed to help prevent or reduce chronic neck pain. This routine includes a combination of a specific neck stretch, correct pillow positioning, and a brief use of a massage gun on targeted areas. Specific neck stretch. Let's start with the neck stretch. One effective stretch you can do is called the neck flexion stretch. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably on your bed with your back straight. Slowly lower your chin towards your chest as far as you comfortably can, feeling the stretch along the back of your neck. Hold this position for about 20 seconds. This stretch helps relieve tension in the muscles at the back of your neck, preparing you for a good night's sleep without pain. Correct pillow positioning. Next up is pillow positioning, which is crucial for keeping your neck in a neutral alignment while you sleep. The goal is to make sure your neck isn't bending too far in any direction. You can achieve this by using a pillow that supports the natural curve of your neck. If you sleep on your back, try a thinner pillow to prevent your head from being pushed too far forward. Side sleepers might benefit from a firmer pillow to fill the space between their ear and the mattress, keeping the head and spine aligned. Spending just a few seconds adjusting your pillow before you sleep can make a world of difference for your neck. Brief use of a massage gun. Lastly, a quick session with the massage gun on your neck and shoulder area can be incredibly beneficial. Set the massage gun to a low or medium setting and gently move it around your neck and the top of your shoulders for about 30 seconds. This helps increase blood flow, loosen up muscle knots, and reduce tension built up during the day. It's like giving your muscles a mini massage before bed, helping them relax and recover overnight. That's all for today, thriving beings. Today, we've explored various strategies to combat chronic neck pain, from optimizing your sleep environment to embracing holistic approaches and innovative tools. Remember, consistency is key to seeing improvements. And there you have it. The secret to waking up without neck pain lies in just 60 seconds of your nightly routine. Start tonight and thank yourself in the morning. Until next time, take care and stay pain-free. Thanks for watching.